What's up, y'all? I'd like to welcome y'all back to the Big Kahuna Backyard Big Air Show, baby. Just out for a little run. Nothing too serious. Let's. Oh! Well, damn. I don't know why the punch kicked in so late. That was crazy. It didn't flip till it was in the air. There we go. See if we can land one more of those. Trying to take me out. I don't know why the punch keep kicking in so late. That's crazy. Backyard Big Air Show, baby. Let's go. Now that should have broke something. Still rocking. Yeah, that really should have broke something. Backyard Big Air Show, baby. Man, you gotta love these outcasts. They tough as nails. Tough as nails. Hot dog. Oh, got a power cord hanging out. Ooh, gotta fix that. Here we go. There we go. I have to fix that. I apologize. Backyard Big Air Show, baby. I mean, I ain't trying to break it. I would like to play with it tomorrow or later on today. Damn. Did y'all see that? Backyard Big Air Show, baby. Okay. I need to chill before I break my toy. It done cut off. Hold on. All right, we back. Backyard Big Air Show, baby. I know, I probably done said that about 20 times. Oops. Let me check on my. We good. We good. Yeah, I done beat him good. It's all good. Buy another body. I'm gonna try to get one of them aftermarket bodies. I want to put like a van top on it or something. Or an Escalade. Some big boy. Damn thing jumped all the way to the gate. Whoa. Uh-oh. I got a battery connector hanging out. Gotta fix that. We're gonna have to fix that. Backyard big ear show, baby. I know they like, we could say that.